Hi everyone. So this is day 2 of solving 100 questions on SQL. And yesterday we have solved our first question. And on the same platform, Strata Strat, we are going to start with the second one, which is this one, that is finding updated records. So this question was asked in Microsoft, and this is easy level. Again, I have filtered out the easy level question. So let's start with the question given here. So we have a table with employees and their salaries. However, some of the records are old and contain outdated salary information. Find the current salary of each employee, assuming that salary increases each year. Output their ID, first name, last name, department ID, and current salary. Order your list by employee ID in ascending order. Okay. So we have this table given here that is MS underscore employee underscore salary. So if we look at this table, so it has these columns, that is ID, first name, last name, salary, and department. If you see there are multiple records of each employee with same ID, like ID1, Todd Wilson, and the salaries are different. Everything is same, even department ID is same, salaries are different. It is because every year they are getting new salary, that is updated more salary, and the previous year salaries are also in the record. But what we have to do, we have to only extract the current salary, which is the updated salary of this year or whatever year it is. Okay. So it is given here that the salary updates every year. So whatever is the highest salary, it is going to be the latest salary. We are going to assume that. Okay. So let's start. So how we are going to approach this question? So first of all, we have to do what? We have to, let's do one thing. We have to, if we are going to rank these employees in increasing order of their highest salary, like if the highest salary is this one, then it is going to get rank 1. If then this is the second highest salary, it is going to get rank 2. And then we are going to extract those salary who has rank 1, right, for each employee. So this is one approach that we can use. So let's start. So what we are going to do here, we are going to rank. So for rank, we are going to use window function. Now, if you don't know about window function, I have a video available on my YouTube channel. I will put that video link in the description. You can watch it. Okay, so let's start. So we are going to consider all the columns. Along with, we are going to add one more column, which is going to show the rank of each employee based on their highest salary. Okay, so I'm going to use row number window function. We have to give this over clause, and then we have to do what? Now, each employee is unique by their unique ID. Okay, so we are going to partition on ID. So I'm going to write down partition by ID. And then, so Todd is going to be separated just like that. Just for, so for Todd, this is a partition that all of these one will come together. For Justin, all of these two will come together. Now, after this partition, what we have to do, we have to rank the salary in decreasing order. Okay, so I will pass order by salary in decreasing order. Okay, so let's give this a name. Let's say RK, and let's run this. Okay, so if you see here, what do we have? We have partition created on IDs. So for Todd, okay, we have this two entries. So this is the highest salary as we have mentioned in decreasing order. So the highest salary will get rank 1. Then the second highest will get rank 2. Third highest will get rank 3 and so on. So the next partition is for ID2. So this is another partition. This is for Justin. So for Justin, the highest salary is this one, and this is the ID. Like this is the number, rank. So when we create partition, so for each partition, the number starts with 1 again. So what we have to do now? So now that we have all the highest salary of all the employees with their rank, we are going to extract only those rows where the rank is 1. Okay. So it is going to give us the employee with their highest salary. So let's see. So here I'm going to use common table expression. So it is very simple. We have to write with CT as, and we have to put it within this bracket. And if I'm going to write down select star from CTE where RK is equal 1. Okay, so let's see what it is going to give us. So it is giving us this. See, now we have only those salary where the rank is 1 for all the employees. Now let's see what is the expected output. So this is the expected output. It is matching, but we do not want this column, which is RQ. So we have to mention the column names. So I'm going to write down ID. I'm going to write down first name. Then I'm going to write down last name. Then I'm going to write down department ID. I'm going to write down salary. And let's run this. Okay. So this is the answer. And now one thing we have to do, order your list by employee ID ascending order. So we already have this like aligned in ascending order, starting from 1 and going forward. So we do not have to do anything. Otherwise, you can add this order by ID. Okay. And that will be by default in ascending order. So this is our answer. Let's run this code. Then check the solution. And our solution is accepted. So this is the query that we use to solve this problem. So window functions basically solve most of the question. If you are going to get any medium level or easy level question, and if you can think, you can solve it using window functions. And for that, you have to be very comfortable with it. And for that, you need more practice. So try to solve more questions using window function. And once you will get comfortable, you will see the pattern everywhere. So this is all about this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have more answer to this problem, you can put it down in the comment section. If you have questions which you want me to solve, then you can put it in the comment. Okay. I will add the video link of that window function in the description. You can take a look into it. And yeah, thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, keep liking and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.